This is a quick demo of two Piforce variants, Piforce wireless and single. Basically, I was using the good old LCD front Netboot, which is obviously a fantastic bit of kit, but I wasn't mad keen on having to run the wires outside the cab to choose which game to play, or alternatively opening the case every time is a bit of a pain. So that's why I developed this little thing here, which is basically the same thing, very similar to Raspberry Pi, first version B, with a wireless card and the power taken from the Naomi motherboard as before. But you'll notice no LCD plate, no soldering required, SD card and a wireless card, and then this can just be buried inside the case and never opened again. The other advantage being obviously that there's no soldering involved, so there's no complex assembly, just a case of buying an SD card and a suitable wireless adapter, and then plugging in and off you go. So once it plugs in, it basically boots, spawns a wireless access point which you can connect to. Your DNS black hole user always points to the page with the games, so it'll look at your ROM directory, read the ROM directory, and build a list of games, and then load them from there. So give it a go. Hopefully, if everyone knows why my Naomi makes that big crack, presume it's hopefully not arcing on the screen, but you never know. So, okay, see here it's booting. Yeah, light looks good. Normally, like I say, that would all be hidden in the case, so you never open it again. And then that should, as it boots, the good old network system message. Turn on this awful phone. Turn on the Wi-Fi on my phone. So the Naomi is just checking the network. So very well on this phone. Probably can't see very well, but it's loaded a AP called Naomi, already connected, which is great. So if you go home, I'll just move over, give you a better view. Launch your web browser, and you can literally go to any address, so gg.com, anything you want. Doesn't matter where you go, it'll route you to this page, which is the page containing the games that are on your card, which are obviously the games that you own. So you scroll down, pick an image that you want. The text is underneath as well, in case images aren't very good. Image is customizable as well, so if you want to change that to your own pictures, then that's easy. Okay, so let's go for this one. This is the only one I've got on the card. So I got the screen's gone black. Hopefully that should be loading. You should get an update status message on the page as well. On here. Once it spawns. So there you go. Yeah. So loading game from the web page, and in a little bit, hopefully. There we go. Happy days. So that obviously the advantage of that is that there's no soldering required, it's easy to assemble, can be locked away, and you never have to open the case every time to choose a game. And you can operate it from your mobile phone or whatever other wireless device you've got handy. The other one, which I'm going to do another video for, is even simpler, simple SD card. Put a single game on there and it'll just load it straight away. So that's the Wireless S.